guys, I am sitting actually on my kitchen floor today and I just wanted to quickly introduce this video. I am sharing with you Britton's favorite chicken noodle soup, and it has a little bit of a twist to it. When I think of comfort food, this immediately comes to mind. My kids love it. It's a crowd pleaser, perfect for a cold day. That being said, you'll have to forgive me. I filmed this on a day when it was actually raining, and so the lighting's not super great, but I think you're gonna be able to get the gist of it and hopefully be able to enjoy this with your family or bring a hot meal to somebody in need. For those of you who have not heard the announcement, we just started a new series this week that we've entitled Eucharisteo, and you'll want to definitely check out our blog for different devotions and free printables and inspiration. This is all dedicated to my sweet sister-in-law that we lost just a little over a month ago, and I miss her a lot. I miss her greatly, and so this has just been really therapeutic for me to do these videos and devotions and stuff, to just do Brit inspired things, and that's kind of been my focus, and it's been healing and therapeutic and makes me feel like she's a little closer. So I hope you guys enjoy this soup, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!